Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's video for upcoming Mahzooz draw prediction 30 July 2022. My previous prediction for Mahzooz 3 number matched. You can see the result is 8, 10, 28, 38 and 39. Matched is 8 match 28 and 38. I said that last video this 4 number is important. Today's prediction is if two numbers from 1 to 10 come up, no number from 42, 49 comes up. Again I am telling, if the number from 1 to 10 does not come, then two number from 42, 49 will come. Two chances have this draw. If come from 1 to 10, two number 42, 49 will not come. Friends, this is only guess based on previous months and previous year's result. Here I showed this number. One to 10, three, 7, 8 and 9. 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13, 16 and 18. 21 to 30, 21, 23, 24, 25 is 31 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37 and 38. 41 to 49, 43, 44, 45 and 47. This is the 24 number for prediction. Hi friends, this is only guessing number. If your number matched here, you can choose this. Otherwise leave it. It's your choice. If you are luck, you will win. Good luck. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.